just take a look at this website. It's a complete hospital system where users can book appointments, upload reports, choose doctors, and manage all their medical data from their profile. On the admin side, everything is controlled in one dashboard with a proper backend storing all data. And the best part is I built this entire system using just one prompt with the new Google AI Studio. So in my previous video, we talked about the latest update in Google AI Studio and how things have changed inside the platform. But honestly, that's not even a biggest shift. So this is the 5 major updates of new Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is no longer just a UI or a protocol builder. Now you can create a complete full stack app and websites with backend support, not just front-end designs. On top of that, with built-in authentication and database, you can create real user-based system where people can log in and their data is stored and managed properly. Another powerful addition is version control, which allows you to switch different version of your app anytime and safely experiment without breaking your project. Along with that, a new verified execution system ensures that the AI not only writes a code but also tests and fixes it automatically, saving a lot of time in debugging. And finally, with the share feature, you can generate a simple link and get others use your app instantly without even deploying it. So these are the 5 major updates that completely change how we build apps and websites in new Google AI Studio. And now let's see all of this practically by building a real project. We will create a complete hospital website, and inside that I will show you how each of these new feature works in practical way, so you can truly understand how to use the new Google AI Studio to build full stack apps and websites. So hello, I'm Komal Bhojani and welcome back to my channel. This is the 9th video of our series 15 Real Businesses, 15 AI Websites, where we are building real world projects step by step. If you find this series helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel and support the journey. Also join my Telegram group where I regularly share all prompts, updates and resources related to these videos. And don't forget to check out my new channel, Pro AI Income, where I share tutorials on AI-based earning methods. You will find the link in the description. So today's website is a hospital website where users or patients can browse different departments like neurology, cardiology or whatever it will be. Then view available doctors, log in to their accounts, book an appointment by selecting date and time, and finally manage everything from their dashboard including appointments and reports. Same way, admin can also check appointments, arrange doctors and all. So let's start building this. First, I will create the complete website with all the features using one prompt, including the backend setup as well. Right now I am inside the new Google AI Studio. You can see this. Here you can see the option to add database and authentication using Firebase. So now I am simply selecting this option, and now I am going to paste my prompt here. I will also share this prompt inside my Telegram group. This prompt is basically covers building a complete hospital website from front-end to back-end, including authentication, database, a real user functionality where patients can browse, book appointments and manage their data, while admin can control everything with homepage and necessary pages. Now I have added this prompt and run this. Now you can see it has started writing code. And since we selected database and authentication, it is asking to enable the Firebase. Here it shows that data can be synced across devices, saved over time, and it also works on a free tier. So I will simply enable this. And just like that way, Firebase will be connected to this project automatically. You don't need to manually set up backend authentication or database, which usually takes lots of time and technical knowledge. But with this new update, everything is handled in just one click, which makes it super simple even for non-technical users and beginners. Here also the best part is verified execution system. It's a new update in Google AI Studio where the AI not only generate code but also taste it and fixes it automatically in the background, like same way Google anti-gravity. This reduces manual debugging and makes the overall development process much faster and more efficient. Alright, so I think our website is now ready. Let's take a look at what Google AI Studio has built for us. You can see this is a complete hospital website with a clean and professional design. Light green color looks perfect. We have a top section with contact details, WhatsApp connect option. It's good. Navigation menu including home, abouts, specialty, doctors, health checkup. Then I have a proper hero section with a clear heading and call to action for appointments, which looks really clean and modern. Scrolling down, you can see different departments now like neurology, cardiology, dental, dermatology, and guest room, all properly structured with a description. We also have a dedicated section for doctors, where each doctor has rating, specialization, and a direct book appointment button, which makes a flow very practical. And at the bottom, there is a complete footer with links, contact detail, and all necessary information, just like a real business website. So overall, you can see this is not just a basic UI, it's a properly structured real-world hospital website. And the best part is, it is just a starting point, because now we will see how the backend authentication and database are actually working behind this. Now you can see something very interesting here. The system has automatically added Google login, so users can directly sign in using their Google accounts without any extra setup. In navigation bar, you can also see that when a user is logged out, it shows a sign in button. And once the user is logged in, it changes to a profile or dashboard option with a sign out feature. Another important thing is role management. For example, if I log in using a specific email, the system automatically assigns admin access, which means we can control the entire application from that account. So now this is not just a static website anymore. We have proper authentication, user handling, and role-based access, which is exactly how real-world applications work. Now let's taste if everything is actually working or not. So I'm just clicking on book appointment button, and you can see it opens the login pop-up where users can either sign in with email or continue with Google. So I'm going to choose Google login. As you can see, it's redirect me to my Gmail, and within a few seconds I am successfully logged in into the website. Now you can notice that my email is showing here, which means the authentication is working perfectly. And once I log in, I am redirected to the patient dashboard. Here you can see the complete dashboard with user details, health summary, and appointment section. Now let's book an appointment to check. It's proper step-by-step form where the user first enter the basic details like name, email, phone number, date of birth, etc. I'm just adding the random details just to show you. Then in next step, a user can select a department, choose a doctor, pick a preferred date and the time for the appointment. Okay, it's done now. Then finally there is the third step, is the additional information section, when the user can describe their problem or reason for the visit before confirming the booking. So this is not just a simple form, it's a complete structured booking system just like a real hospital websites use. And once the user is confirms the booking, all this data gets stored and can be managed from the both patient dashboard and admin panel. I can also see the appointments we just booked with a doctor name, date and time along with its status. Even from here, user can upload their medical reports, test result or any required file in the medical record section, which makes the system even more practical. You can see this. I'm just adding one file and yes, it's done. So it clearly shows that user login, appointment booking and data storage are all working properly as a real world system. Now let's check the admin dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, Google AI Studio has already registered my email as an admin email. So I will simply log in with that account. And here you can see the complete admin control panel. From here, admin can manage the entire hospital system, including appointments, doctors, patients, etc. You can see the total booking, patient request, number of patients, and other important data all in one place. There are also options like managing doctors, aiding patients, and controlling overall operation, which makes this a fully functional admin system. And if we scroll down, we can see appointment we just created is already showing here with all the details like doctor, department, date, and status. This clearly shows the database is working in a real time and everything is properly connected. So now this is not just a website, it's a complete system where admin has full control over all users and activities. This is the best feature in the new update. New Google AI Studio will integrate Firebase automatically without any manual setup for backend services, and also it create a complete backend for you, including the authentication we have earlier seen, the database and file storage, all connected, ready to use. So this is all about the front end and user side. But now let's check the real backend. I simply asked Google AI Studio how I can access the backend, and it provides me with a Firebase console link. Let me open it, and yes, you can see everything is already connected automatically. Usually setting up Firebase with authentication and database is a long and technical process, but here Google AI Studio has done everything for us automatically. Now inside Firestore, you can see all the data is stored properly, including the appointments, doctors, departments, and users. You can see this. If we go to authentication, you can see all the registered users and email accounts are listed here. And this is the real backend of our website, where all the data is securely stored and managed. So now you not only have a front-end website but complete backend system working behind it, making this a fully functional real-world website. And finally, with the share feature, you can generate a simple link of this hospital website and let others use and taste it instantly without even deploying it. For example, I am sharing this link with myself just for this demo and opening it in another browser. And you can see that any changes and updates are reflected in real time on both sides. This makes it very easy to share your work with your team, friends, or clients, and let them taste the app like a live system. Now I'm satisfied with the website, so let's deploy it and make it live. So for deploy, first I will connect this project with GitHub. Here inside Google AI Studio, you will find a GitHub option from where you can connect your account and create a new repository. I'm just giving the name and description of this repository, and I will just create a repo. After that, once I commit the project, all the code will be pushed to GitHub. Now I will move to the Netlify. I will open it in a new tab. I will just log in with my credential. Here I will create a new project and choose the option to import from Git. Then I will just connect my GitHub account and select the repository just we created. Now just click on deploy at the last option, bottom last. Now Netlify will automatically detect the project setting, so I don't need to change anything. And within a few seconds, our website will be live with a public URL that we can share with anyone. And yes, you can see this. Our website is live. Homepage, and I think everything is working perfectly. I'm just checking it. And this is the URL. You can see this. This is the Netlify URL. Once your client or customer or even you are satisfied with this, then you can go for custom domain. You can add in Netlify also, or you can change the hosting also. Also, whenever I update the code in GitHub, Netlify will automatically redeploy the website. So this is how you can build and deploy a complete full stack hospital website using a new Google AI Studio. This was just a demo. You can build any kind of application, any kind of website with this. This new features of Google AI Studio is really amazing. You can create backend automatically from frontend to backend, authentication, database, admin panel, and even deployment. Everything can be done is in a much simpler and faster way. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And share this video with someone who is actually building something like this. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram group for all prompts and updates. And check out my new channel, Pro AI Income. I have mentioned link in description. So, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.